Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add the functionality in which the player will be able to pick up this health and energy bottle, and also the player will be able to use this bottle in order to increase the health or energy. So as you know that we have this pickup item script, so open that up, and right here as you can see we are showing a message in the console that health pickup and energy pickup whenever we pick up the bottle of the health or energy. So now what we want to do that whenever we pick up the energy or the health bottle, then in our inventory we want to increase the stock for the health and energy, because in most of the game the player contain a stock of health and energy bottles. Okay, so first of all what we will do is in the scripts folder right here we will create a C# script by the name of game manager, and if you save this, as you can see, it will create this icon around this script. Okay, so it means that this is the main script. Okay, the game manager, okay, the whole game manager script. So what we will do on this script is we will create an integer by the name of number of health. Okay, and also we will create another integer by the name of number of energy. So if we pick up one of the health bottle, then the number of health will be 1, and if we pick up again then it will be 2, 3, 4. Okay, and whenever we use the health or the energy bottle, then this will keep decreasing. Okay, and when it is set to 0, then the player will not be able to restore the health or energy. I mean the player energy automatically restore after 5 seconds when it finish. Okay, but in most of the cases if the player want to regain the energy a bit faster, then for that case the player will be able to use the energy bottle. Okay, so once you add these two integers, then get back to the pickup item script, and right here let's create a reference to our game manager script now. So we will say public game manager, let's name this as GM. Then if we scroll down right here, so whenever we pick up the health, now what we will do, we will say GM dot number of health will be plus equals to 1. So what this means, that the health will be increased by 1 whenever we pick each bottle. Okay, and we will do the same for the energy as well. So we will say GM dot number of energy plus equals to 1. Okay, so now if we save the scripts and get back to Unity, now in all of them we need to provide the GM script. So let's go ahead and create a empty game object. Okay, let's move this up right here and name this as game manager. Then drag and drop this script. Now number of health, number of energy. Okay, then if we select all of the items, then just simply drag and drop the game manager in there. That is it. Now if we play the game and click on this game manager, okay, now the number of health and energy is 0, but if we go ahead and pick this up, now as you can see the number of health is 1. Okay, now if we pick this one up, now the number of energy is 1. And if we have more bottles, okay, so let's go ahead and duplicate them and let's move them, for example, right there. Okay, so now if we click on game manager again, okay, and let's try to pick this up. Okay, so now as you can see number of health and number of energy is 1. Now if we pick it again, it is now 2 and it is 2 again, and the reason they didn't disappear from the environment is because the item tag energy and health, okay, right here as you can see it is the same for all of these 4 health and energy bottles. Okay, so for example if we pick this first one, then it deactivate that one and then it considered this second one as the first one. Okay, so that's why the script get confused that we have already removed the bottle which is on the health tag, so that's why I didn't remove that one. But as you know that now the number of health and energy is increasing whenever we pick up the bottle. Now the next thing which we want to do is to use the health and energy bottles in order to increase the player health and energy.